What's up, guys? So we are back for the first mod on the 2019 Indian Scout Bobber. So one of the first things that I wanted to do is swap out the handlebar mirrors and put them underneath the handlebars rather than above. To me, it kind of looks a little goofy when they're up top rather than hanging down. It looks a little more aggressive, a little more sleek when you have them underneath the handlebars. So we're gonna swap those out. What you do is you just take this one bolt out here along with the collar, take the same out on the other side, and you actually swap them. So right goes to left, left goes to right. You put them underneath and then it'll look sweet. So it takes an Allen key head in order to get those bolts out. So a little trick here, I believe it's a 6mm. If you don't have it, just lift up on your seat and there is one right here, which would be the right size. So we're gonna take this out and then we're gonna go over swapping the mirrors. All right, so we have the Allen key and Phillips head that comes under the seat. Just gonna go right there, put some tension on it, crack it over. And once you take it out, it'll look like this. You have the bolt here, a collar, and then another collar here. So just take out this whole assembly, put it off to the side. Now we're gonna do the same on this side. Take that one out like so, and we'll bring this over to the other side. Line up the threads. Until you find your way back home. All right, my suggestion would be to just leave it snug, then sit on the bike and see where you're going to want to set it up, how much forward, how much back, so that you can determine where you like it and where you're gonna have the best visibility. So just leave it snug. We'll throw this one in. Don't do that, especially on camera, very embarrassing. Now they're nice and snug. I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back home. All right, so once you have your mirrors adjusted to where you like them, just cinch them down. Then these also are on a pivot, so you can rotate this to get the desired angle. I have them where it's just perfect so that if I have the wheel at full lock, it's not going to touch the tank. So I'll show you here. That's just the one thing you want to make sure that they look good. You know, the more facing towards the rear, they look even better, but you don't want it where it's going to hit the tank. So you have it here, the bike up, I can go full lock, and there's a 1/2 inch, full lock, 1/2 inch give or take. So it's perfect there. And you can have full lock, it's not gonna scratch your tank, hit your tank, anything like that. And they look nice, put them on a pivot, get them for the perfect angle for your size and your height, and you're all set.